Good morning, second prep. Secondary. I wish you are all fine. Today we are going to work on an exercise on units 1 and 2. I wish you are all concentrating with me. If you have any questions, you can send me on the WhatsApp or whatever you like. Okay, let's start by reading the first sentence. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. Number 1. An means a part of your body that performs a job, e.g. the brain or the heart. Identify member, organ, prefix. Of course it's an organ. An organ is part of your body that performs a job. Okay, you cannot choose anything except an organ. عضو. Okay, it's a part of your body. Number 2, we tried hard to dogs her to accept the new job, but she refused because she thought it wasn't suitable for her. We tried hard to do what? To persuade her. This is going to be put in the empty space. Persuade يقنع. Number 3, doing sport is the main reason for his strong. Of course, it is going to be what? Guys, muscles. Okay, because you are practicing sport and this sport is going to strengthen your muscles. So we are going to take muscles. We are going to take what? Muscles. As a driver for long distance, he is good at first aid in case of having an accident. As a driver for long distance, what is the meaning of this? He is a driver that drives for long distance. He is a driver that drives for long distance. So he is good. First aid, it's going to take looking wrong, missing wrong. We are now between doing and making. Of course, at doing, first aid. First aid takes do. Sports takes do. Like the above one, number 3. Doing sports. Do first aid. Doing first aid. Again, doing sports, doing first aid. Okay, number 5. He was angry to wait an hour in the street. Okay, and his friend didn't come. See, he was angry to wait. He was angry to wait. So what preposition are you going to put here? Are you going to put wait on an hour, wait in an hour, wait for an hour, wait at an hour? You are going to put what? You are going to put number 5, wait for an hour. Tennis is less popular than football all over the world. The synonym is meaning, antonym is opposite. Again, synonym is the meaning, antonym is the opposite. The synonym of the word popular here is popular. What is the meaning of popular? شعبي, something known, well known for everybody. What is the synonym for it? You are going to choose which synonym here. You are going to choose here which synonym. Something private, wrong. Personal, wrong. Special, wrong. So the correct answer is going to be common. Okay. Number 7. Drivers wear face masks or they will be fined. يدفعوا غرامة يعني, يغرم يعني. Okay. Drivers should ولا mustn't ولا have to ولا needn't. You are going to choose what? Concentrate, guys, because it's very important to know the difference. Drivers should wear, لا طبعا, because they are going to be fined. So it's what? It's a rule. Mustn't, of course not. Have to. someone imposing something on you. Drivers have to. Why have to? Because it's an outer obligation. Someone who is imposing this thing on you. Okay. Tamer is Adham. They got the same marks at their English exam last week. Tamer is then cleverer than, as clever as, so clever as. They got the same marks, so they are like each other or different. They are like each other or different, guys. As clever as, because they got the same marks. You have to finish the sentence till the end. Tamer is as clever as Adham. They got the same marks at their English exam last week. Next, number 9. They walk a long distance last night because they couldn't find any taxis. So, what is the correct choice here? Must walk, had to, needed can't be chosen here. Needed is the wrong choice. What should have, of course, should be followed with the PP. So you are going to choose what? In number 9 you are going to choose what? It's going to be had to. Again, it's an imposed thing. They didn't choose this. The outer situation imposed on them to walk for a long distance, so they had to. Okay. Next, number 10. The less you pay attention to your teacher, you make mistake. The less. دي قاعدة the more كلما. The less you pay attention to your teacher, you make mistakes. يبقى the less you pay attention to your teacher, the less you make mistakes. Okay. You can't choose the more. You pay attention, you are not going to make more mistakes, you are going to make less mistakes. Okay, number 11. You to deliver your research today. The teacher said he is available all the week. So you are going to choose. You have to. No, teacher available all week. You must. La. Okay, no, have to, wrong. Must, wrong. So what are we going to choose? You needn't to deliver. Needn't to. It's wrong answer. Needn't shouldn't be followed with to, because needn't here is a modal verb. Okay, so your choice here is going to be what? In number 11. You don't have to. Okay, and we explained why needn't, because needn't is a modal verbs and cannot be followed with to. Okay, guys, so you here have to pay attention which choice you are going to choose. Okay, number 12. This is a persuasive person I have ever seen. So you are going to choose. This is the most, the more, least, or less. Of course, less and least is wrong. You can't choose. Less. You can't choose least. Okay. So you are now between the most and the more. You have than here. Do you have than in number 12? You don't have than. So you are going to choose the superlative form. What is the superlative form? The most, the least. Okay. This or the superlative form. Okay, guys. Okay. You look tired. You have some rest and drink something hot. You look tired. You have some rest and drink something hot. You look tired. You have some rest and drink something hot. Number 13 is going to be D. You should. I am telling you an advice. I am advising you to have some rest and drink something hot. This is a kind of advice. Sama is the fastest girl in her team. This means that what? No girl is slower than Sama. No girl is faster than Sama. Any girl is faster than Sama. Any girl is slower than Sama. Of course, B and D are wrong because Sama is the fastest. So you are in between A and C. No girl is slower than Sama. No girl is as fast as Sama. So your answer here in number 14 is going to be C. Your correct answer is going to be C because Sama is the fastest girl in her team. This means that no girl is as fast as Sama. Okay, guys, thank you for listening for my revision on units 1 and 2.